Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy Plus. And we're going to be seeing what I got. So if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy Plus, then keep on watching. Alright, I'm just going to get into it. And here's the bag. And it says on the back, "Your Magic." So kind of cute. Does have a card, but I don't think it's got any products on it. No. It says #Ipsy Magic, your magic. With a pinch of shimmer and a wave of your mascara wand, this month cast a spell on yourself. Whether it's nailing the perfect smoky eye or taking that big life leap, let your intuition guide you to your goals. Alright. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into... We got a Araceli Osos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner Duo with Sharpener. Alright, here's the sharpener. Just a general sharpener. Can never use enough sharpeners. And here's the liners. You got a brown liner. And this one kind of looks like a shimmery brown or copper. If I can get it open. There we go. So this one is like a brown, and this one is like a shimmery brown or coppery color. And also never use enough brown gel eyeliners. No, I've had some of their liquid liners, but I've never had any of their gel liners, so pretty excited about that. Next we have Lovecraft Beauty eyeshadow palettes. That's what the outside looks like. And that's what the inside looks like. Kind of got a greeny shimmer going on. Down here, kind of a green shimmer. Let me swatch a few. Let me swatch I'm going to swatch the gel liners too. Why not? Super creamy. Took no time to do one swipe. It kind of goes with this palette too. Let's see. Now I have Lovecraft Beauty like eye palettes, but I've never had actual eyeshadow palette. And it's got a little mirror in there too for being a little palette. Alright, here we go. So we got the two, there we go. We got the two liners, the chocolate brown and then the coppery brown. We got the green shimmer brown and then the goldy, kind of orange gold color. So those are the two shimmers in the palette and then one of the mattes. So they're really, really creamy formula. I'm pretty excited to try this out. I might have to try this out in a video soon. Next is the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. There we go. It's got a little powder puff and a mirror up there. And then it's got got where the actual powder is. It's translucent, so that's not too bad. I don't know if I'll use the puff, but pretty good color too, so not too bad. Alright, let's go to the next product. We got House Lavatories L'Oreal Gloss Ultra Shine Lip Gloss. Alright. Let me swatch it. Feels kind of sticky, but I'll have to try it out. That's what that looks like. So not too bad. Feels kind of sticky, but like I said, I'm gonna have to try it out. And the last item is the Violet Voss lip gloss. And it's in shade Delight. Let me swatch this one as well. Alright, and that's what the Violet Voss shade is right there, Delight. So really pretty kind of pinky peachish lip gloss. But that's my last product. So I'm super excited about this month. I think I got some pretty good stuff. I was reading on this box of the setting powder. It said it absorbs oil and mattifies, blurs, bakes, and sets, mess-free sifter, and it's formulated with vitamin C for brightening. So pretty cool. I'm excited to try this formula out. Really excited to try all this stuff out, to be honest. Like the eyeshadow was super creamy. The eye pencils were super creamy, and the House of Labs lip gloss seemed a little sticky, but the other ones seemed really smooth on the swipe. So real excited to try everything. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in my Ipsy. I really enjoyed showing you guys what I got in my Ipsy. But if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourself. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. Talk to you later. Bye, y'all.